down.
Today on What the Devil Show. I want the devil! I want the world to know. I do let the devil. I feel the love, baby. I feel the love. Hello, and I'm Brittany Williams. Today we have a serious show. Hold on, get security now. And today, we have a serious issue today that we're going to be dealing with. So let's be sensitive in this situation.
I just removed the thing.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's welcome Malia. Malia, come on now. Oh, man. What the hell? Oh, let's get security sound done. This is a serious matter. Very serious. Come on, Malia. Yes. And today, Malia has a serious issue she wants to address, and she has a revealing secret.
Oh.
Yes. All right, let's be quiet. Take it. Yes.
Hi, pretty.
Hi.
Me and my sister have been really close our whole life. She's older than me. And recently, she's been dating her boyfriend for like 7 years. And about 2 weeks ago, he called me. And I answered because I thought he wanted, to bring me some food or something, because normally that's what he does on Thursday nights while our moms are in choir rehearsal. But this Thursday night, he didn't want to bring me food. He wanted to bring me something else.
He wanted to bring treats and everything.
So he came over and we were just talking. And then
Yes.
I had sex with him. The worst part is, my sister's really crazy about apple juice.
Oh, Lord. Yes. Yes.
He gave me some apple juice. And I drink you know what's in the apple juice? You can see what
Alright. And now she's going to reveal her secret to Choka. Come on, Choka. Come on. Yes, come on, Malia.
Hi.
Express it.
Hi.
Oh, for the love, y'all. For that love.
I have something to tell you.
Yes.
Oh, okay, well.
Yes.
Hi, baby. I'm sorry. You know Derek, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, a couple of weeks ago, we were together.
Yes, I'm excited, yes.
I'm scared.
It's okay. It's alright. It's quite okay.
Well, he caught me, and we weren't going to tell you, but we waited, because I just couldn't keep it anymore.
Yes.
I slept with your boyfriend. That's not the worst part.
Oh,
but we can work it out. It's okay, because I love you so much.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, no. You security.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love her. I love her. Okay, but wait.
She's talking about
It's okay. We'll work it out. Oh, okay, work. Party.
Yes.
What happened to get any worse? There's more. Because it's a needle of... You know. It doesn't matter. I love you. It doesn't matter. He offered me me.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. And I was like, well, yeah, but the only thing in the refrigerator is
Expose it.
apple juice. And she's crazy about apple juice. She doesn't want to eat like apple juice or apple juice.